Okay, everyone, this is the first video on how we're going to take inventory this year using Mission Control. We'll be able to take inventory on any laptop, tablet device, mobile phone, or Zebra handheld. First thing, of course, is that you need to log in to Mission Control. And then you're going to go into the section that says handheld operations. And then you're going to go to StockTake. That's our inventory platform. And here I've already signed in as Olive Ovation, but you're going to first see on your first login this page where you select the location at which you are taking inventory. The way this is going to work is that because we have certain items in more than one location, the first time that you scan a product for counting, it'll start at 0, and then you can enter the quantity and it'll update Shopify. The next time, and I'll show you what happens if you were to scan the same item again during the period in which we're taking inventory. But I've connected a Bluetooth scanner to the iPad I'm working on. I'm gonna, well, there it goes. And it's looking it up. Hopefully it won't normally take this long. And it found it. So what this is saying is that this is the first count for this inventory. So at Olive Ovation, or it believes we're at Olive Ovation, we're setting the initial inventory. So this is the first time we're counting this item, and you can just go into this box and say, you know what, I've got a full case, and then you're gonna save the count. And when you save the count, you go back to the StockTake mode where you can scan your next item. By the way, if you doesn't have a barcode, you can look it up by name. So I'm just gonna do the same item, but I'm gonna look it up by name so I can show you. Oops, I must have. Okay, and so I'm going to choose the red, which is what I was working on before. And see here it's saying that I had previously counted it in this inventory take session. It tells you exactly when I took it and exactly how many the initial quantity was. That'll hopefully help you identify whether you're if it's an item that is in more than one place, that you're now adding to it. So instead of starting at 0, which is what it did when we did it the first time, we're now starting at 12 and we are adding. So let's say that I had 3 more somewhere else in the store. I added it, so add 3, new total will be 15 when I hit save count. This is already in addition mode. If you, for whatever reason, need to subtract, just hit the negative button and you'd be subtracting 3 from the total. But it's going to default to add, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be 99% of the time is what you're going to do is add. So I'm going to save that count, and I can go on to the next.